Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have a little Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. As usual, I will go through the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I found these chicken flavored dog biscuits as well as the peanut butter flavored dog biscuits. They are by Greenbrier Kennel Club, and they say that they are made in the USA, 5 simple ingredients, and you get 1 pound. So I thought that was a really good deal. Let me know if you guys have tried these dog biscuits from Greenbrier, and let me know if your pups or doggies enjoyed them. I was really excited to come across this Hyper Hair by Conair Simone 16-inch Velcro wave ponytail, and the color is 1B. I thought that for $1.50 was an amazing deal. So it says, create a beautiful long thick ponytail that looks as natural as your own. So I was excited to come across that, being that it is in my color, so that worked out great. I picked up some books for my daughter. She loves to read, so whenever I can find any books for her at Dollar Tree, it is a plus. So this first one, even though it is on the smaller side, I mean, as I said, she loves to read, so she enjoys any book. So this one is called Patriot Dogs, and it says Save the Sanctuary by Samuel P. Fortsch. And it is a small book, like I said, but I think she's going to enjoy it. And then this book I thought was really neat. This is book number 8, so it's a series. And it's called TBH, I Don't Want to Say Goodbye, a novel in text by Lisa Greenwald. And so on the inside you can see that it's all like texting. So I thought she would really enjoy that. It's a bit of a longer book, even though it is text, so it's not like there's a lot of writing. But I thought for $1.50, and again, being that she loves to read, that she would enjoy this. Next, I came across some Fashion Doll outdoor furniture and items for 10-inch dolls and 12-inch dolls. So I thought, being that my daughter, she loves Barbies, we wanted to try these out to see how well they work with Barbie. So I'm just going to show you their packages and what they are, and then after I will open everything up and show you what it looks like, because you can't really see it well in the package. So the first thing I have here is this 2-piece jet ski set. So I believe you get the jet ski. I don't know what the other piece is. I'll see when I open it up, but it could be maybe the vest that she's wearing. I'm not quite sure. It doesn't say, but again, we'll open it up and see. Yes, it is the vest. I can see it. I picked up 2 of these outdoor furniture play sets. So it is the lounge chair, the long one, and it comes with a little side table. You can kind of see it right there. So I picked up 2 of those. They had a 3-piece kayak set. So I believe you get the kayak, the paddle, and then another vest. They had the umbrella, but unfortunately this didn't come as a set. There's only 1 piece in here, which is the umbrella, which is unfortunate. I wish they had the whole set together as it's shown in the picture, but I guess the chairs and the table come separately. So I'm gonna have to keep my eyes open for that. And then, and I didn't realize there were two pools stuck together here, but here we have the swimming pool. And then the last thing I picked up is the outdoor barbecue. So I'm gonna open everything out of the package now and then set it up on the table so you can have a better look. Okay guys, so here is all of the doll furniture and or accessories that are out on the table. I opened them from their package, and we'll start with the pool. So here you can see, first off, that all the furniture is pretty vibrant colors other than the chairs because they're white. But the pool, I think, is a little bit small for Barbie. They show her sitting in the pool, but she takes up the whole pool. So I think if you have little ones, or you display your dolls and you want these as little props, then definitely this would be good for Barbie's sisters, Skipper, Stacy, and Chelsea, because they're smaller, so it just makes more sense in size comparison to them. And even still, they're a little bit too big, but at least they would look better displayed. Or like I said, if you have little ones who want to play with these, then I think it'd be good size for them. So here is the kayak. I think it looks pretty cool. For $1.50, that's really nice. The paddles come off. I just hooked them onto the little stand there. And then it does come with the little life vest. And then here is the ski jet, or the jet ski. So that looks really cool as well. I think my daughter will have fun putting them in the pool to see how they stay up in the water. And then again, this comes with let me see here. With the life vest as well. And then this opens up so that you can get it on the doll. And then the umbrella. I kind of wish that they would have at least put the table so that you could stick the umbrella in. But pretty cute umbrella. I think the chairs are really neat. And they just snap together. Very easy to put them together. And then each chair comes with a little table, and the table does spin. And then the little barbecue, which it's open in the back, and then the top, you can open it up. So, I mean, for $1.50, I think it's really cute. It doesn't seem flimsy at all. So I think if you have little ones who enjoy playing with dolls, or as I said, if you're a collector and you just like to display your dolls and want to use these as props, I think that they are a really nice quality accessory for your dolls. Okay, and the last few items I have to show you are seasonal. And I have to say, at my Dollar Tree, I'm not finding a lot of new fall. I mean, I have seen new things, but since I've gone this year for the very first time, I haven't seen other items arriving for fall, if that makes sense. So they do have newer things from last year, but I do find that they have a lot more, at least to the Dollar Tree that I went to, a lot more Halloween things. So perhaps once some of that stuff starts going off the shelves, they will bring in some more fall items. I'm not sure, but I do like what they have come out with this year. They've come out with some really nice things. I did see this wreath hanger, and it's specifically for fall, so it's in orange, and then it has this metal plate. As you can see, it's placed on the metal hanger, and it says thankful with a pumpkin. I thought that was really cute. I only came across 2 of these acorn picks, and I really wish that I had found more. Hopefully I will see some more of these coming out for fall, because I think these are adorable to add into an arrangement or use for a DIY. I really like these. So yep, I was only able to get 2, but I'm happy with the 2 that I got. I love these type of pumpkins, the sweater pumpkins or the flannel pumpkins here. And then they have the little tag attached to it with 2 little wooden beads tied to the jute twine string that's attached to the stem of the pumpkin. I think they are so adorable, and I wish I would have got some more of these plush pumpkins, but I did pick up this one that says thankful as well. Actually, they all say thankful. This sweater pumpkin, and then this one I really like as well. So these I love, and they went super quick at the $1 tree that I went to. I picked up a couple of these buckets, and I did get 2 the same because this one was my favorite. It says Hello Fall. It has the wheelbarrow with the pumpkins on the inside and some wheat sticking out of the pumpkins with some leaves and pine cones. Really cute. And then the last thing I have to show you are these self-adhesive stencils, which are really nice. The first one I picked up, they run vertical and they say pumpkin patch, welcome home, and welcome fall. So you can split these. They have a little thing holding them together, but you can split them apart and make really sweet DIYs with these. This one has 4, so you can see they run across that way. Drink, eat, and be thankful. Welcome to our patch. Let us be thankful, and happy Thanksgiving. And then the third and final one that I picked up, there's 3. Forever thankful, always grateful, and abundantly blessed. And that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.